Today again I am going to show you one point perspective. One point perspective. See, now I am going to show left side object. I will draw my station line in right side. On the right side, this is my station line. In previous video I told you you can draw anywhere your station line when you want to draw imaginary. When you are on the spot, you are doing perspective. At that time you have to see it, where is your eye level and which area you want to compose it, where you want to sit, everything you have to see it. But when you want to draw imaginary, at that time you have to see it, which side and which portion you want to draw more. So today I will show right portion more and left portion less. So I will draw all three level, high level, middle level and low level object. Here it is station line, this is horizontal line, that this I will keep it in center of the page, middle of the page. See, station line and horizontal line, where it is crossing and which point it's create, it's called vanishing point, VP. See, horizontal line we can tell eye level, middle level and horizontal line also. This above eye level it's called high level and below eye level it's called low level. As I told in previous video, whatever front portion in cube or cuboid, it's look square or rectangle. So here one square I'm doing, this is low level. Same thing, same measurement, I will draw this middle level and same I will draw, this is high level, low level, middle level, high level. Now I will create cuboid. I will take line from vanishing point to this corner to vanishing point, and this corner to vanishing. Now I have to guess it, how much broad I have to make it, or if front of you object is there, so you have to see it. According to this your front portion, in proportion how much long it is there. So here I want to do imaginary, so I have to guess it how much long I want to keep it. So this, as I told, except this vanishing line, each and every other rest, every line will come 90 angle. So this vertical line up to here I want to keep it, it will come parallel of this, and it's always vertical will come. So up to this I want to keep this broad or length I want to keep, and same as parallel here. So this cuboid I got it. Same I will draw from this corner to vanishing line, this corner to vanishing line. Same length I want to keep it, so same here it will come. But this is on horizon line, on eye level, on middle level. That's why we will get only two sides. Here we are getting 1, 2, 3. Here we will get 1 or 2 because of it is on eye level. Our eyes is here, so we can't see top or bottom. Okay. Now I will draw same object high level. This corner to vanishing line, and this corner to vanishing line, and same length here, and this is parallel to this. So this will look like this. So we will get the bottom. Okay. Now see, this I shown in previous video, you know it, how to draw it. But now further what I want to show in this. See, I want to cut till this cuboid. This much I want to cut it. So I can't draw this line like this long. Why? Because of this is perspective. Whichever it is close to you, it's look broad and big, and whichever it's far to your eyes or to you, it's look narrow and small. So this line here it will become narrow, but how much narrow, that's we can't judge it, or we cannot keep as we want. So you have to, here we got one point, from this point to this vanishing line you have to make a line. I will make till here because of I don't want full line, and this line will come till this. Now see, this is broad, this is narrow. See, this measurement and this measurement, it's the same, but it's a far. That's why I kept narrow. This we have to judge it. In proportion we have to keep it this gap. Now see, this I got it. Now I have to see how much I have to cut here. I can cut till here also, I can cut till here also, I can cut till here also, but I want to cut till here. So this line I got it. This line I can keep without taking this vanishing point line. So from this point we have to draw vanishing till vanishing point line, but I need till here, and I got this point, so I have to join this. So this line, it's unwanted now, so I have to erase this, so it will not disturb me. This and this I got it. See, this is not look complete. Something is missing. What is missing? Because it's somewhere something here it's missing. So I have to see this is square front portion. So same square I will get here. But this line I can't keep without taking from this vanishing point. So how to take this line? So you have to put scale here, or you have to see from here to vanishing point line. So you will get this line. So this is complete now. Okay. Now see, one more things I want to edit. I want to do one hollow here. So I drawn square. So this hollow, I want this much thick. So this is like that thick. It's close to me, and this is far. So its broadness will become narrow, and top portion, this is below eye level, so I can see the top of this. So from this line I will get from this vanishing point only, and it will look like this. Same hollow, it's looks small here. This we have to guess it, or we can take this point from vanishing point and we will get here as point and make it small hollow. See, this object, it's complete. Now I want to give light and shade. So this side, I will make it dark, and this side middle dark, and upper portion I will make it highlight. So this is middle light, this is middle light. Same thing here also will come middle light, because of this side I given middle light, so here also will come middle light. I will make it little dark line so you can see it properly. See, this object from cuboid, I cut it and make it something different. You can make your own also. Now same thing, how it will look in middle level. So in middle level, same, I will make this line from this point to vanishing point. I will take the line, but till vanishing point I will not draw. I need till here, and this broad and this I will keep it narrow, and I got this much. Okay, now unwanted line I will erase it. So I will maintain this horizontal line. See, now this is square front, as I shown, front will look square. So here also this is front will look square, and see, this is below eye level. Here horizontal line, it's eye level, this is below eye level. So I can see the top of this I can see little bit, not more. And this line I will take from this point. So automatically this line will create little bit, I can see this, and this is middle level object. Same hollow I will keep it here, cut it here. This we have to guess it and make it small. See, little top, bottom and little top I will get here, because this is above eye level, this is below eye level. So here little bottom and here little top I can see it, and this will look broad. Same thing here also, little top and little bottom. This line we have to take from vanishing point. Now I will make it dark, same as I make dark. See, I sharp my pencil properly. We have to use 2B pencil for drawing, not HB, because of HB itching the paper. It's a little soft graphite, so it will not itch the paper. When you are using HB, so when you want to erase it, line will be remain there because of it's the paper, itching the paper. And there will be many grade pencil, 2B, 3B, 4B, 6B. This you need when you want to make light and shade, more dark, more rendering. At that time you need it. But for drawing you have to use 2B. Rest 4B, 6B will be soft graphite and dark, so it will spoil your hand and spoil your paper also. Now see, I will give this shade, little shade, to show 3D. Here light shade will come. Here also light shade will come. This corner and this corner, as this corner and this corner, you have to take line from vanishing point. This will be highlighted, this will be highlighted. So this you got it. Now high level cube, in this same I will draw this here narrow, this line from vanishing point, and I have to take this till here. See, in this is high level, so we can see bottom. Now see, this is square, this also I will do parallel and like that. See, in this I can't see this top here because of it is above eye level, and this line you have to take from this point. It's not transparent, so we can't see here, it's opaque, and here we can see. Now square, cut here we can see top, and this much here we can see bottom, sorry, here we can see bottom, and here we can see top. Same here, small, same thing, we can see top, bottom and side. In this object I will not give shade, I will give fine line, and you have to see it. See, I am not using scale. An unwanted line, we have to erase it. This is, as I said, this is vanishing point. This is horizontal line. I will make it dark so you can see it. This is station line. This is vanishing point. Okay. Thank you, Umesh Kiada, Rajkumar Kole.